Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Breland here, and today I'm showing you guys how to create kids and do bed jumping. So before we get started, please like the video if you enjoyed it, and subscribe down below by clicking that red button. Don't forget to click the bell after you do that. So let's get started. So basically, creating kids is basically kind of like spot directing that I mentioned in the mannequin effect video, which I'll leave in the description box down below if you have not seen it. And bed jumping is also very easy, which also kind of calls for spot directing. So creating kids is basically just making them smaller. So I'm just gonna have. So I'm just gonna save and preview that. And so as you can see, this is what it looks like. So you're gonna go to directing helper, spot helper, and then you're gonna change it to scale. So you know when it's a scale, when it says switch tool move, and in order to make them smaller, you have to go to the right. In order to make them bigger, you go to the left to make them smaller, and go to the right to make them bigger. So I'm going to make her smaller. So that's pretty much how you create kids. So now you can like move her somewhere, and that's how you create kids. I'm just gonna make her smaller because she's like a little too big for a kid, and that's about it. So now what you want to do is, instead of having it stand screen left, you're gonna come over here, highlight this, then copy it, and then paste it right over here. And that's pretty much it. So yeah, so now in order to, so that's creating kids. So in order to do bed jumping, basically what you want to do is you want to move them on top of the bed. I'm gonna make her smaller because she seems like a little too big to be on the bed, and that's perfect, and that's right. So now we're going to have her walk to that spot. So Ellie walks to, and then I'm going to highlight this, Control C, then Control V. She walks to that spot right there, and then I'm going to have her be jump fast, jump loop. So that's basically how you create kids and do bed jumping. So let's go ahead and see what that looks like. Oops, I did something wrong. I'll be right back. Let's go ahead and see what that looks like. And that's basically it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have her stand there for like a beat, and then have her stand on the bed for a beat. So let's see what that looks like now. Okay, so basically what I want to have her do is I want to have her take a little time to walk to the bed, so I'm going to have to do it in 2 seconds. You can do it however many seconds you want. You can do it from 1 to 10, however many you want. I'm just going to do like 4. I'll do 4. So now let's see what it looks like really. And that's it. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Like I said earlier, please leave a like if you enjoyed it, and subscribe down below by clicking that red button. Don't forget to hit the bell, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.